Today I am going to draw eggplant, so let's get started. First, draw zigzag lines for leaves of eggplant. These are the calyx leaves that wrap around the top of the eggplant. Next, draw a short, slightly curved cylinder shape for the stem. Now draw a long curved line on left side. Now draw a long curved line on right side. Then at the end, draw an oval shape. This will be the main body of the eggplant. Now, refine the shapes of the body, stem and calyx leaves to make them look more natural and connected. Go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add colours. Use a deep purple colour for the body of the eggplant. Use green for the stem and calyx leaves.